Welcome again to the most courageous of you who follow me through this third and last episode. Let's have a look at one quadratic that has very little in common with what we have here. And you will see that we can apply the same method to actually solve this graphically using this graph. First of all, you see that the coefficient of x squared here is 1, where it should be minus 1. So one first move is going to be to multiply both sides by minus 1 and turn this equation into the equivalent one, minus x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, because 0 times minus 1 is still 0. Well, we're pretty happy because we have this minus x squared. Let's now try and match the coefficient of x. We have minus x here and 2x there. So here you might see that what we need is to add 3x on both sides to turn this equation into minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x, and we almost there. The only difference between this and this is this plus 1 here. So let's just subtract 1 on both sides to get rid of it on the left-hand side, and we end up with minus x squared plus 2x is 3x minus 1. As we did in episode 2, we are going to interpret what we have here as the y-coordinate on the point of the graph, and what we have on the other side as y2, the y-coordinate of a point with the same x-coordinate, because the x is the same here and there, but on a different graph with equation y is equal to 3x minus 1. There it is, this graph. And so we're looking for the intersection of these two graphs, and the 2 points for which x is the same and y is the same. So it's the point right here and the point right there, allowing us to read roughly what are the values of x. So for the point right here, you see that x is roughly 0.5, and for the point right there, it's more like minus 1.8. So we found two approximations of the solutions for this equation. Well, I hope again that this has been clear enough. If you want to extend this idea, actually, you could see that all you need to solve graphically any quadratic equation is the graph of y is equal to x squared, which is pretty simple, which is like the parabola you all know. And following steps like the one we did right here, you could turn any quadratic equation into x squared is equal to something else. And all you have to do is to plot one extra line and use this graph of y is equal to x squared to solve this equation. Well, I hope you found this interesting, and see you in another video.